So some file managers don't have the ability to zip directories, and some of them do, but they will be unable to zip the size of the package that makes up the WordPress build. And so another way, or really a better way, is to use login with shell access. So if you have typically you're going to use the same FTP account, the same username and password used for FTP, but you have to make sure that shell is enabled, that SSH is enabled for that account. The application I have open here is Terminal. This is from Mac. On a Windows computer, you can download a small application called Putty, which I can provide a link for. And Putty works basically the same way. So I'm going to type in SSH, and then followed by my username at, and here's the username at, and then the host. This is not DreamHost that I'm logging in now, so it'll look a little bit different. Ask for the password, which I type in. Okay, and now some tricks for how you navigate, how you navigate the Linux server is you type in. Well, one thing you can do is you can type in help, and this gives you a list of all the commands that you can use. Now, if you type in ls, this will give you a list of the files and folders at whatever level you're at. There's that WordPress demo site, so I can type in cd and then the name of the directory, and then I can type in ls again, and then what you'll see down here is a list of the directories in this WordPress installation. And now navigating Linux is just like when you're finding paths in HTML. So if I want to go up a level, let's go cd like this. Oh, I went up too far. This is interesting. So I went up too far of a level by accident. So if I type in, if I want to get back into the directory, the main web directory, it's going to be an htdocs. Oops. Okay, so if I want to zip a directory, and I will include links to how to. I'll provide links to these commands. But like for example, you would just type in zip our, I'm going to call it demo site .zip. There's already a zip file here, so that's why I called it .2. And then put in the name of the directory. This might, I'm running tight on my server. I don't have a lot of space, so this might not work. I might just not have enough room on my server to run this command, but it's scanning the files, and you can see it's adding them all up, and it actually does the whole thing relatively quickly considering how many files it's actually managing. Okay, and then I type in ls, and I can see that it has successfully created the new zip file. So I would just go up to my, I would use the FTP client and then just download that zip file, re-upload it to the new location, and then to unzip it, you just type, it's just unzip, and then the name of the file. I'm not going to type it because I don't want it to unzip this. It's going to make a big mess for me. So, but I would just type in unzip, and it will unzip it. And that's all there is to it.